Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the hair experience. Curtis, what are you doing? Walk around the house. With my fake hair. All right, I wanted to get in this light right here anyways. I want you guys to see this. Okay, you can see these bubbles right here along this leading edge. This hairline was redone about 3 days ago. I'm using a different bond than I've ever used before. I'm gonna walk outside. I'm using a different bond than I've ever used before. This is my house, so I'm walking outside of my house. The different bond than I've ever used before, and you guys can see these bubbles. Look at that. That ain't gonna fly. That ain't how I roll. So you guys know I experiment a lot and I try different stuff for you guys. It's anyway, I need to get back to the start of the video. Anyways, welcome to the channel, welcome to Hair Experience. What you talk about here, Curtis? I talk about hair replacements and hair systems. Talk about bonding it, cutting it, cleaning it, installing it, maintaining it, and day life with it. Subscribe below. It's important to this guy. Ebook will teach you how to do it all. Video ebook, everything, starter kit will get you everything you need. myhairexperience.com. Also, Hair by MHE will get you all the hair you need at home. Looking dope and looking fresh other than these bubbles because of this stupid bond. MHE 20 will save you 20% off of your hair. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I'm holding it and walking. Just wanted to do kind of a different background today. Something a little different than what y'all are used to seeing. Plus, I wanted this light. So I tried Davlin Black. This is Davlin Black. Okay, it comes in a 0.5 ounce bottle. I bought it from Hair Direct, and it was $8.50 or 75 cents. Oh, what's the video called today? Will it fall off of your head? Will your unit... I get asked the same questions. You guys know over and over and over again. Will it fall off on a motorcycle? Will it fall off on a roller coaster? Guys, you guys who have watched my videos for a long time know, N-H-O-W, know that it's not going to fall off. My hair is not going to fall off. I had better do some extreme stuff to make it just want to just fall off of my head. And we'll get onto this glue situation here in a second. No, it's not going to fall off, guys. It's just straight up not going to fall off. I mean, I don't know how else I can put that. I've hung my head, and I didn't video it, out of the window at like 75 for a while. 75 miles per hour. So you kilometer guys, it's like over 100. I've been on the world's largest jet ski at probably 50 miles an hour in the ocean, or 45. I had my head out of the window of the car that you guys saw at about 50. I've done everything under the sun just like everybody else does, totally normal life. Guys, it's not going to fall off. Now, if you get in a fight or something, somebody could rip it off, absolutely, but it's going to destroy the unit. It's not just going to want to fall off. Like, I mean, come on. It's not going to fall off. That's not how this works. So that's really concluded that portion of the video. I don't know how else to put it. I mean, it's just not going to fall off. Onto this bond. This is going to be kind of a two-part video. I'm going to have to redo this. It's terrible. I do not like it. It's a clear bond. What I was trying to do was actually get, since Hair Direct stopped making their stuff, what I was trying to do was to find an alternative for you guys, to have a, just options. I like to try things, and I never tried the Davlin Black before. So I ordered, like I said, it was $8.50, and in order to get free shipping, I ordered like 5 of the things, so I could get free shipping. I figured, hell, if it's going to work good, might as well have it, and, have some backup here at the house and stuff like that. So I ordered it. This is the first time I've used it. I was using the other one that was from a company called PPI on my vacation, which we're still trying to figure out. That stuff's like $45 an ounce. It is ridiculously expensive, but it worked great. So anyways, onto this. This stuff's really thin, and I don't know how it's made or anything like that, but it's not working for me, straight up. So, but it might work great for somebody else. So I wouldn't say knock it off the list, and I'm not saying that Davlin's a bad product, not by any means, because it's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to just tell you my experience. It's just not working for me, so I'm gonna have to go inside and redo my hairline, which will take me probably 20 minutes, I guess, no big deal. Redo that front leading edge, which what I do, guys, I tape, and this sun is a good spot. I tape like right back here, so the only little bit of of glue that I actually have is like this probably finger or 2 finger width of bond up front, and that's really all that I have to redo. So I put my little convertible on, like I tell you guys, I put my little hair clip in so I can redo it, clean it up, and it's finished. It's super easy. So kind of a 2-part video. I mean, if you're gonna try the Davalin Black, give it a try. It's just not working for me. So it's one of the worst ones I've seen, actually, for me, just me personally. Not talking bad about the product, it just, for me it sucks. I don't know how else I can put it. For me it sucks. It's one of the worst I've ever used. So I'm no longer going to use it. So if you guys want to pay shipping or something like that, then I think I've got 3 bottles that haven't been opened. Hit me up in the comments. You guys pay shipping, I'll ship it to you for free. You guys pay shipping, I don't care. I'm not going to use it, so it is what it is. So you guys hit me in the comments or hit me on the email or whatever, and I'll ship it to your house as long as you pay for the shipping. But yeah, guys, it's not going to fall off your head. Even with the way it looks all bubbled right now and all crazy, it's not going to fall off of my head. It's just not going to. I don't know how else I can put this. So that's what I got today, guys. Hopefully that's informative, because I know it's something to be concerned with. It really is. You don't know if this thing's going to blow off in a swift breeze. I mean, if you've never done it before. So it's just something that you can take off of your checklist of worrying about happening. So that's what I got. So anyways, stay tuned. Next couple days we'll make another video, and I know these are kind of short, but this I kind of really wanted to get out there because I get the same question over and over again. But anyways, myhairexperience.com, hairbymhe.com. You can get everything you need at home to do this in the privacy of your own home for not a lot of money. Guys, the units that I sell are top-notch units that should cost a ridiculously amount more than what they do, but I just want you guys happy. That's what I got, guys. So anyways, you guys have a good weekend. Happy Labor Day, and we'll see you in a couple days.